Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Google Gemini app on Android TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to head over to App Drawer, and I'll be opening the Gemini app from here. If you don't have this app already, I have a video showing you how to download and install it. Make sure you check that out. And when you have it on Android TV, just click on it to launch. Now, when you're in the app, you can do a lot of things. I'm going to show you the top left panel, the top left sandwich bar. If you open this bar, you can see new chat, you can see yourself, you can see gems which you have saved, you can see chats which are 2 right here. So these are my 2 searches. You can move from there to a new chat where you could create an image with prompts, you could create music with prompts, you could ask Gemini to help you learn a certain topic or write anything. You can also use this for productivity to boost your day with this ready-to-go templates of prompt right here. Alternatively, you could ask anything you want on this bar just by clicking on it and then searching. The results will come out as so. So this is an image result. You can see I use Gemini to generate this image. So here's an image with 4 words of a prompt, 1, 2, 3, 4 words. And look at the quality of an image you could generate. And look at this text prompt. So this is not for image generation, it's a question. Gemini is very intuitive, he understands, and it brings out a concise summary of what you're trying to understand. Also, you could use the very popular feature where you have Open Gemini Live. This will give you back and forth conversation with Gemini on any topic. This is a very popular feature. I know you want to use it, but I want to make sure you understand this is a TV. If you do not have a microphone on the TV, you need to get an external microphone. You need to get a source to enable communication with the TV. So if your TV doesn't have a mic, get an external mic or connect the Bluetooth mic to be able to use Open Gemini Live or to use the microphone to search. So basically that's it for the Gemini app. If you found that insightful, it was informative, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.